43 times 34. So now I'm going to draw the Lattice method model. So I'm going to make a big square. Each digit gets its own square, so 43. So I'm going to put 4 and 3 on the top. Then 34. I'm going to put 3 and 4 along the side. And then I have to draw a line through each square. Make our triangles. For my next live stream, I think I'm going to move out of the sun, but here we go. So now we multiply. So the top right hand corner here, we're going to multiply 3 times 3. The answer to 3 times 3 is going to go in this square. Each digit within our answer goes in a separate triangle. So 3 times 3 equals 9. So we're going to put a 0 on the top triangle and then a 9 in the bottom triangle. Next, we're multiplying 3 times 4. The answer to 3 times 4 goes in this square here. 3 times 4 equals 12, so we're putting a 1 in the top triangle and then 2 in the bottom triangle. Next, we multiply 4 times 3. The answer to 4 times 3 goes in this square. 4 times 3 also equals 12. So 1 in the top triangle, 2 in the bottom triangle. Lastly, we are going to multiply 4 times 4, and the answer to 4 times 4 goes in the bottom triangle, bottom left-hand corner over here. Four times 4 equals 16. Now, we have to add all the numbers within the square going along the diagonal lines. So along this first diagonal line, we just have 2. Then we have to add the numbers in between these 2 diagonal lines. So we need to add 9 plus 1 plus 6. 9 plus 1 equals 10. Plus 6 equals 16. We have to regroup, just as we would with any addition problem. So the 6 and 16 goes here. The 1, we're going to carry that over. Now we're adding all the numbers in between these 2 diagonal lines. So 1 plus 0 equals 1, plus 2 equals 3, plus 1 equals 4. Then along this diagonal line, the only number within the square is 1, so we're going to put a 1 up here. And we have our final answer. 43 times 34 equals 1,462. So somebody in the chat just actually wrote a different method. The first problem I did, 35 times 28, he got the same answer, but he actually wrote a different method and a different way to go about solving it. And I'm for whatever method works. As long as you get the right answer and you understand how to get the right answer, whatever method works for you, that's the method that you should use. Sometimes there's a lot of different roads to get to the same destination. But writing my answer in here, 43 times 34 equals 1,462.